Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to add Gmail shortcut to your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Google Chrome or any other browser that supports shortcuts. Okay, but for this example, I'm just going to be showing you how to do it on Google Chrome. Now, once you're in here, go to Gmail or mail.google.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. After once it loads, make sure you sign in. After once done, go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the very top. Click on it. Now, go ahead and find the cast option right here. It says cast, save, and share. Now, in this section, when you go ahead and click on cast, save, and share, you have install page as app. Or you can click on create shortcut, but the best one right here is install pages app, as it will have its own icon. Click on it. It says here install this page in an app. Click on install. Now here we have it. Close the browser. Here we have Gmail. Okay. So you can just go ahead and move it wherever you want. Close this one. Double click on it. And it will automatically pop out your Gmail. That's how easy it is to create Gmail shortcut on desktop. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.